guys, welcome back to one more insightful video of LinkedIn marketing course. And in this particular video, I'm going to clear some confusion that what is the difference between LinkedIn profile and LinkedIn page, because many times people get confused between LinkedIn profile and the page, and the approach they go with LinkedIn profile and the LinkedIn page gets totally wrong, right? So let's start the video with the first slide, and that is the difference that LinkedIn profile is totally for personal use. Right here I have mentioned, basically I have divided this difference, or you can say the differentiation of LinkedIn profile and page between these two sides, right? So this side will be the LinkedIn profile and this side for the LinkedIn page. So here I have mentioned for personal, it means LinkedIn profile is totally for personal use, where you can add your personal details, where you have worked, where you have uh, completed your school, completed your college and degree and all, right? So here everything will be personal, your personal details, your personal experience about what you do, what you are doing, and what are the plans you have for the future, right? But here on the other hand, in the page, you are totally for public side, which means page gets created for company or the business. Let's say you have your company or you have your business, or maybe you are working in a company, so the company might have created the LinkedIn page account, basically LinkedIn page. So page is basically for companies or the businesses, right? So this is the first basic difference. Now the second difference is, this is totally personal, right? Your LinkedIn profile is totally personal, I have mentioned over here. And on the other hand, LinkedIn page is totally public. Anyone can follow, anyone can consume the content which whatever you are providing into the page, right? But on the other hand, here in the LinkedIn profile, it will be totally personal. It is totally up to you that whom you are allowing to consume the content, whatever you are publishing, whatever you are sharing on the social media platform, right? So this was the second difference. And the third difference is connections and followers. So basically in LinkedIn profile, we create connections as like we do in Facebook, we creates friends on Facebook, right? But on the other hand, on the LinkedIn page, we create followers, right? So when we grow our LinkedIn account, LinkedIn profile, so we maximize the number of connections, and when we grow our LinkedIn page, we maximize the number of followers, right? Now the fourth difference is, now here basically if you have your LinkedIn profile only and you want business, you want some extra earnings, so what you have to do, you have to message your connections, right? You can get new clients, you can get new uh, leads directly from the connections whom you are messaging, right? On the other hand, if you have a page, what you can do is for business is advertising only, right? Basically you can go for paid advertising, or you can go for organic advertising, where you need to share the content, valuable content for your followers, and obviously that will be kind of indirect marketing of your product or services, right? So if in LinkedIn page you want to do business, or you want to get some new business, you have to do advertising. But on LinkedIn profile, if you want some business, if you want some new clients or new leads, you need to do messaging. Basically you need to send messages to your connections. And if you don't know how to message to your connection, what is the best way, or what are the best message types, you can watch our previous videos where we have shown you the step-by-step tutorial how to write a proper message for your LinkedIn connection, right? Now the next difference is networking and branding. So basically your LinkedIn profile is totally used for networking, where you make new connections, right? And kind of friends, where you'll be able to share your content and they'll be able to interact with that content, they'll be able to engage with that content, and when they share their content, you'll be able to engage with the content. But on the other hand, with the page, you can do branding. Basically people who follow you will be able to engage with the content, but they are your followers, they are not your friends. So whatever the content they publish on their profile, you'll be not able to see, you'll be not able to engage with them, right? So this is totally for branding, this is totally for networking, right? Now the next and the last differentiation is organic leads and paid leads. Basically with your LinkedIn profile, you can generate organic leads, right? By messaging them, by making connections with them, by making good relationship with your connections with your friends on LinkedIn profile, right? But on your LinkedIn page, you need to run paid advertisement to get some leads. So basically here you get only paid leads, right? Although you can do some organic marketing as well in order to get some leads, but the main, or you can say the real work you can do to generate leads is go with paid marketing or paid advertising. So this is what the difference or the approach you should have with your LinkedIn profile and the LinkedIn page. I hope you got the point. I hope you understood the difference between these two terms, these two properties, and I hope this video was well valuable for you. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.